my name is Alicia Borges, and I'm going to explain you all about the tactile path which we have created in our center, that is for students with deaf blindness. Okay, this we have created for orientation and mobility. So firstly we have over here signages. They are in Braille. Okay, and then we have a textured this line over here so that the child will sense this and move forward and go like this. We also have touch cues over here so that the child understands that this is a book, and we have a education group further here. Okay, so the child will sense here the book like this, and then he will come here and identify the signage over here and read the Braille also, and then the child will go, if he wants to go in the education room, he will go in the education room. Simultaneously we also have this for physio room, touch cues for to go to in a physio room, and here also we have balls with this, which indicates that we have to go to early intervention room, and we have signages over here so that the child will read the Braille and go in the early intervention room if he wants to go.
BreakFreeSolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.